So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HFCL share. So previously, when you've done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed what are the important supports and resistances. So morning also in the Telegram group, clearly I've explained what are the various updates which are running around the company and followed by the supports and resistances. So today the stock has given 12% up move, so more than that, but exactly it has closed near the 86 rupees region. So we'll try to do the technical analysis to find out the next possible levels. So do watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates and followed by technical charts. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so today morning itself in the Telegram group have clearly mentioned about the stock and also have given an update related to the QIP followed by the 400 crore that the company is going to receive in December. And also you can see the price band has also changed from 10% to 20%. So in the morning it was trading somewhere around 83.35 rupees with almost 7% positive move, and later we have seen the stock has crossed more than 13% positive move because it was almost approaching the resistive zone. So when it has given a very good breakout, so obviously we can see that sort of movement in just a short span of time. Okay, so now let's try to do the day-to-day wise deliveries analysis and then we'll move on to the charts. Okay, so people who are connected with me in WhatsApp, for them I'm giving separate stock. So one such stock today, that is yesterday itself, I've given for few people who are connected with me. So HFCL, clearly I told when it was around 80 rupees itself, I've told for the people to buy it. And you can see today we have seen some very good move, more than 13% return just in a single day. Okay, so if you have not connected with me in WhatsApp, you can find the details in the Telegram. So there you can join. Okay, so now let's go to deliveries section. Okay, so if we try to observe the day-to-day wise deliveries, so on 7th December, you can see the spike in traded quantities, and the percentage wise 30.8% was the delivery percentage. And if we try to compare that with the last 3 sessions, so clearly we can observe a little bit of traded volume has increased because of the volatility that was generated in the stock. So market itself has given a very good recovery from the lows. 2 days back to back positive movement was seen, and HFCL yesterday a slight consolidation movement was observed and very good accumulation was also seen. Okay, and percentage wise we can say this is a very good percentage. So if you're trying to invest or already invested in this particular stock, so we'll try to see the best levels. So quickly let's go to technical charts. Okay, so if we try to observe the weekly chart, so as I told, I've mentioned 2 supports followed by 2 resistances. So what was the first support? So first support was somewhere around 72, second support was around 77. Those were the 2 supports. Coming to resistances, first resistance was somewhere around 87, right? And after that I've mentioned the ultimate resistance somewhere around 93, so which was the all-time high of the stock from where initially it has started correcting. So today almost closing above that particular zone, it was in the same range. So in the coming sessions we need to observe whether the stock will cross that 90 rupees level. So obviously it may cross it because the stock is looking very positive on charts, and even market has also given some very good recovery. So just focus the level. So when it's coming into your buying zone, just invest small portions according to your risk appetite. So this is weekly chart. And if we try to observe RSI, it is also moving around 76, so not completely in that overbought zone, so still positive momentum may be observed. So let's go to daily chart. So there we'll see the clear levels. Okay, so if we try to observe the daily chart, as I've mentioned, 86 as a very good resistance, so closing slightly above that has been done today. And the next immediate resistance where the stock will be approaching in the coming sessions would be somewhere around 93. So once it breaks that also, we can expect the first 3-digit okay, price of the stock, which is 100 rupees. So that can also be achieved. As I told, there are very good positive updates and everything is looking very good for the company. So only thing is that market should cooperate to this particular stock. So if that also happens, so definitely those targets can be easily observed. And as I told, support regions, you need to focus the same supports of 77, and the stock is traveling above the 50-day exponential moving average as well. So everything is looking good. So if everything goes well, so first target 93 and second would be 100 rupees. If any further doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.